I get this question all the time. How do you find a short-term rental? Well, call me. Call me. I will help you find a short-term rental. If you're in Texas, Central Texas, I will find you a short-term rental. Actually, anywhere in Texas, I'll find you a short-term rental. But there's lots of ways you can find short-term rental properties. If you're looking to lease one or rent it, go to the portals, Airbnb, VRBO, HomeAway, Vacasa, all these sites, right, have where you can find them to rent from somebody. But if you're looking to buy one, the best thing to do to look to buy one is go to a site like AirDNA, or you can even go to Airbnb. This is clearly unedited. You go to Airbnb, you can look on the map and you can see where all the properties are, right? And if there are properties in an area that are leasing and they're pretty and they're leasing well, then that's an area you should look at to go buy one. Now, there's a lot of laws that you need to look into. So in general, finding where other people are leasing is a good first step to understanding where you are allowed to lease or short-term rent, right? But that may not always be the case. So first look at the map, see where people are doing it. Look at AirDNA, see where people are making money doing it, and then go find out what the local laws are. And once you've done all of that, then you look at the property. Then you identify something that could work. Or call me, I'll do it for you. And if you think I'm wrong, you get something better to say, comment below. Welcome your criticism. Thanks.